Hey guys, it's been a while. Haven't posted any videos. Nothing's really going on too much. Um, I'm gonna bring out a video top end wise. I blew a piston on one of the Ultras, um, and then I realized I had the wrong spark plugs, or they're BR9 ESs, and apparently there's different ignition systems timing wise, and you have to run a special plug. So that I'll bring out a video about that because I feel that's important for guys that are running these ultras. Also, just a recap to rebuilding that jet pump. I brought my other jet pump back, which was rebuilt from the previous owner, and I took it apart. So I have a video of it right now, just showing that there is a missing spacer. So I'm gonna probably go get the red one, take that pump off, take it apart, and then put in that missing spacer instead of having those washers, because that wasn't really. It's working, like I'm using it right now, and it's running good on the water and stuff. Like there's no grinding, but it should be put together right. So there's a subscriber posted, I think, on my channel there saying, hey, I'm thinking you're missing something here. So that's why I looked into it more. So yeah, here's that video on it. Check it out, and thanks for watching. And to that subscriber, shoot, I should be more prepared. I don't have his name. I'd have to go look on the YouTube channel. And now I got a phone call. Okay, so anyways, here's that video. Cheers. Hey guys, just looking at my other jet pump from my other jet ski, and one of my subscribers there commented that we're missing a spacer, and I have these extra spacers, so now it's starting to make sense. So this one's been rebuilt by somebody else. I don't know who did it, but the guy I bought it from said he had it rebuilt. So let's take it apart. I already took a look. So I might go get my other one and take it apart, but it is working good. So I kind of don't know if I really want to maybe at least use it all summer and then bring it back and take it apart. The nice thing is these pumps are so easy to work on. So oh, okay, time to put the camera down. It's always something. Okay, there we go. So I actually took this apart because I had this impeller on it. I already took it off, but you can see it's got these. It's definitely a different impeller. It doesn't have a name, so I'm not sure what the deal is with this guy, but I was getting good top end, but almost no bottom end, which sucked. Picked up this other stock impeller. I think the stock impellers do a pretty good job. Put that on, but before I put it on, it's not very tight, so I'll just spin it off. Okay, now if you look, I put spacers here in my last videos doing this rebuild, and here you can see there's definitely some kind of, it almost looks like this guy popping up. So I'm thinking actually when I do take this one apart next time, because it's been rebuilt, there's no reason to really touch it. I think there's one on the bottom. There's one on top. I actually have to go through my videos, but this could be what he's talking about. So something to think about. But yeah, the jet pump is working good, so I'm happy with the results. Rides nice, takes off nice. This one, you can do an impeller change. Beautiful. I love these spacers. They're just, it's so easy to change and like get your gap clearance here. So yeah, so that's about it. I just wanted to show you that real quick. The difference between this pump and the one I did. Does have this spacer here, and might have missed it on the last one. So all right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.